Are you jumping?
Yeah.
Are you jumping? Did you just hit your head? Who taught you how to jump?
Oh, be careful.
Mom!
What?
Just in case I hit it.
Just that's a good idea. Did you just snort?
Oh my god.
Sorry, I have to use a blanket. No. Can I use you? Can I use you? Can I use you? Victoria, can I use you? Can I? Can I have Bear? No. No. Can I have Woo Woo?
Share.
Can I have Woo Woo?
Oh, that's nice.
Woo Woo. Can I have Kitty? Where's Kitty? Thanks. Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Say Kitty.